मेरे बाप ने सिखाया था जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं.
You inherently are and project that, you basically present your authentic self. What does Shah Rukh Khan do when the cameras are off, when their arc lights are not around him, when Shah Rukh Khan is in, to the manner born of course, but in his mansion? What would you catch him doing on a day where none of the trappings of stardom surround him?
Actually, Karan, you would know it. Even Deepika would know it. They are my very close friends and I love them. They must have seen. I don't do anything. मैं तो बोल भी चुका हूँ. मेरे बाप ने सिखाया था जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं. तो मैं कुछ नहीं करता यार. मैं कुछ भी नहीं करता एक्चुअली. मैं घर के काम कर लेता हूँ. अगर घर की सफाई हो रही है, बीवी ने कह दिया कि वो कमरा खराब, मैं साफ कर देता हूँ. एंड ये जेन्युइन बात है. मेरा बेटा बोल दे मेरी कॉपीज का कवर नहीं लगा हुआ. आजकल तो कॉपीज भी नहीं होती. या आईपैड को थोड़ा सा आप अपडेट कर देना, वो कर देता हूँ. मैं बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करता हूँ. बहुत हल्की हल्की हरकतें करता हूँ या कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. आई रियली डोंट इंडल्ज इन ओवर वर्किंग, ओवर थिंकिंग, ओवर डूइंग. आई एम इन अ मेडिटेटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. तो मैं ऐसे ही यार घर में बैठा हुआ हूँ. व्हेन आई एम नॉट ऑन अ सेट आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग. Honestly, matlab obviously I'll make my friends happy, I'll play with my kids, that's a given. I would love to do that, but beyond that I don't think I do anything. यार एक हाँ मेरे को कल परसों ना ऐसा एक इंग्लिश वर्ड है ना, me time. ऐसा ना लोग बोलते हैं कि
yes, me time.
I really need some me time, you know, me time.
क्या मतलब है मी टाइम का?
मी टाइम का मतलब क्या हो रहा है? So,
but what you said in jest about घर के काम करना, and I do know you're that, but there's somebody sitting next to you that genuinely, when the cameras are off and she's at home, she's definitely cleaning her house. I'm definitely quite sure that Deepika is actually cleaning her house.
एक दो बार तो मैंने भी कॉल किया कि मेरा भी घर आके साफ कर दे.
I offered him my services when he was cleaning his
because
cupboard.
Anybody who knows Deepika closely, and I'm very happy I do, that she is a huge planner. She will literally want to plan her life to perfection. So I really want you to describe to people what you're doing when you have me time.
My me time is, so there's a study room where all these packages come, where all the mails come, where all the mail comes, where all the boxes, and like there's just so much stuff to look at. So the first thing I do on a day off is sort of just like sort out, segregate, put things in its place. I'm cleaning the kitchen, I'm checking fruits, vegetables, bhaji, stock for the week, for the month. Now Dua's things, so like is everything for her, has everything been ordered, do we have stock for everything, laundry, cleaning,
see, I told you.
Systems, processes, running a house like anyone else here, anyone here would be doing.
I've met actors right through my journey of 3 decades, Deepika. I've never met somebody who actually is doing all these things in their home. You really are. Like literally you're doing the planning, you're working, you're doing all those domestic duties to perfection. I've seen it happen in front of my eyes, and it's strange. It shouldn't seem new. It shouldn't seem like this is like something that is odd or bizarre or strange, but I've never seen anybody else do it.
I don't know any other way. I mean, maybe also I started off like this. I started off, I didn't have such a big home. I didn't have help. I mean, I've literally started from scratch. So, my finances, like, everything. Everything has to be looked at and done.
Good, well done, well done.